Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the upcoming sunburn weather in Heartopia and how you can unlock the exclusive rewards. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open in your game watch and go to the weather menu. This one, if you see a sun icon wearing sunglasses, this one, that means the new sunburn weather is scheduled to appear. And based on information from the Chinese server, this weather event lets you unlock two exclusive cosmetics rewards. The first one is the Sunburn Makeup, and the second one is a new tanned red skin tone. And to unlock the Sunburn Makeup, you'll need to stay in the sunburn weather area for about 1 minute each time it appears. Repeat this process 3 times and the makeup should become available. If you want the tanned red skin tone, you'll need to experience the sunburned weather 6 times. Just like with the makeup, stay in the event area until your progress counts. Then repeat until you've completed all 6 visits. And this system is very similar to the frostbite weather from the winter update, where players had to participate in the special weather multiple times to unlock exclusive cosmetics. Keep in mind that these details are currently based on the Chinese version of the game, so the requirements could change slightly when the update arrives on the global server. As soon as the update goes live, I'll upload a complete guide showing the exact location, how the event works, and the fastest way to unlock both rewards. Okay guys, and that's all about the new sunburn weather in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!